Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the Karcher SC2 Upright EasyFix Steam Mop. I have also reviewed the Karcher SC3 Upright EasyFix Steam Mop on my channel, and I've reviewed other Karcher products. I will leave a link to a playlist in the description box below if you want to watch them videos. Link in the description box if you want to pick this up. At the time of recording, I picked this up from Amazon for £100. It's on sale, normally it's for £130. Just some information there, it's letting you know the area performance, heat up time 30 seconds, 0.4 litre tank capacity, and it is 1600 watts. It's letting us know the accessories inside the box, a microfiber cloth and a descaling cartridge, and then some features there regarding the pad, and it's suitable for wood and stone. Of course, they've got to be sealed. I'll take everything out of the box. We'll go through what's included, we'll assemble it, and then of course we'll do a demonstration as well. Before we get started, if you find this video useful, a like would be appreciated, and subscribe to watch more reviews. Okay, I thought I'll show you this bit. I've opened the top, it's saying thank you there, and it's saying register your guarantee. On Karcher's website, you get 2 years guarantee, and on this side it's letting us know optional accessories that you could pick up for this. I thought I'd quickly show you the way they've packed it. It's packaged nicely, this, because when I reviewed the Karcher SC3 Upright EasyFix Steam Mop, everything was just thrown in the box, but with this they've made more of an effort. Paperwork there, the one on my left, I think it'll be on your left as well, yeah, that is a safety booklet, and the one on the right is instruction manual. What I'll do is I'll take all the packaging off and then we'll have a closer look. The first thing, a microfiber cloth that is machine washable, safe up to 60 degrees. It's got them straps there, they will connect onto the head. There's a foot symbol there. When you remove it, you put your foot on there. The actual head. I must admit, when I was taking this out, it does feel a lot lighter than the SC3, but this is already assembled, because with the SC3 you had to put the handle in yourself. Anyway, there's the head, and that's what it looks like from the bottom. So this would just fit on like so, and because of the size it will cover a larger area, and it does have a slim profile. It'd be good to go on the furniture, like if you've got sofas, low sofas and stuff, and the tables and stuff, so you don't need to move them. And everything is well made, but of course you would expect that from Karcher. That's the descaling cartridge. It says the SC3, SC2 and SC3 Upright, yeah, same one. Let's open it actually. So that's what it looks like. That would go in the bottle, which I'll show you in a bit. It has a 5 meter cord. At the bottom, this button there is to release the head. When you put the head on, you push that to release it. Actually, now I thought there'd be a lot more assembly involved in this, but this is all the assembly that's needed. Of course, this would go on one way, just push it down. There we go. And to remove the head, of course, once you've used it, make sure it's cooled down, and then just push that and it's removed. That's it. Nice and simple, and it is light actually. I'm impressed about how light it is, because normally Karcher's products are heavy, and that's not in a bad way. They're heavy because they're really well made. Water tank, it says max there. To remove it, that's a bit loose, that's the cap. You've got a bit of a pull there, because of course it's new at the moment, so it's a bit stiff. That's what it looks like from there, if anyone's interested. I'll remove that. It's got some paperwork in it. It's in different languages. That's just letting you know that when you first use it, it'll be slightly weak and there might be some water droplets. The cartridge would go in there, the descaling cartridge. So if you can see in there, and that's what it looks like from the bottom of that. It would only go in one way. Just put that on. The bottle just sits back in. Just push it back in like so. The cord is fixed at the bottom there. I filled the water bottle up to the max line. There's no on-off switch on this. As soon as I plug it into the mains, it will turn on. Just plug it in. While it's warming up, I'll show you the buttons. So the bottom one there, that's for tiles and stone. That will give you the maximum steam. The one at the top, that's for wood. By default, it's come on the tile, but obviously I'm going to do my laminate, so I'll be changing it. It was red first, and then it's turned green. So when it's green, it's ready to go. Another thing to point out, if it starts blinking red really quickly, that means you need to change the descaling cartridge. That's the directional arrows, obviously. If I push it up, it goes to wood. If I push it down, it goes to stone again, but I'm doing wood, so I'm picking that one. The bottom of the handle, that's where the steam trigger is. And of course the steam is in your control, how much you let out. But be careful, if when you're doing wood, don't over press the button because it will make your floors wetter. Therefore it will take a lot longer to dry. When you first turn it on, it'll take around 50 seconds to start working properly because the water needs to reach the descaling cartridge. At the back here, they've put a non-slip pad there. When you lean it against a wall or a door, A, it won't slip, and B, it won't scratch it as well because it's made out of rubber. And it's got two hooks. One's a fixed hook there, and the bottom one, it's a quick release one to release your cord. We're ready now to do some steam cleaning. As you can see, I've picked the top one because I'm doing laminate. All I do is push the steam trigger. Just give it a few seconds. Okay, did you pick that sound up it was making before? It'll make that sound for about a minute, maybe slightly over. Once that sound has gone, I don't know if you could hear it now, it's the steam's started to get released now, so it's ready to use. So if you hear that sound, don't think it's not working. It's just getting the water into the cartridge, which it needs to get 50% of water into the cartridge, and after that it will start working. So I'll just push the trigger now. It is really light. You see that? So releasing the steam. Time to do the kitchen floor now. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but there are a few marks on the floor. You see the pad. Yeah. It's getting a bit dirty, but when I finish, it'll be proper dirty. to show, I'm going to change the setting to the tile and stone one. It's going to let a lot more steam out now. You can hear it as well. I don't know if you'll be able to pick that sound up. As you can see. Change it back. Let's have a look at the pad. There, as you can see there, it's definitely cleaned up. I did all the rest in the normal mode for wood, but then I've just changed it now just to show you. So in that mode, it does let out a lot more steam, and if you're not doing it on stone or tiles, it will overwet your laminate and it may even damage them in some cases. But I've been using steam cleaners on laminate for a long time, and ours have been perfect. They haven't got damaged or anything. But yeah, overall, my thoughts on this mop, I actually quite like it. It's light, because I reviewed the SC3 as I mentioned before, and that were heavy. This is light and really easy to use. Just take the pad off, put in the washing machine and wash it, or of course I could wash it by hand. If you're interested in picking this up, I'll suggest act now, because it's on for £100. If you've got any questions, ask me in the comment section below. I hope this video has helped someone. If it has, give it a like, subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.